I respectfully call on Colonel Sara Duterte.
Okay. Colonel Sara Duterte, ma'am.
Good morning, Colonel.
Morning, Senator Lacson. Good morning to the members of the Commission on Appointments.
Same question po. I think you know Colonel Sid Unga very well.
Yes, sir.
And we both agree that he is more than qualified to handle the job as chairman of the Committee on Appropriations of the House of Representatives. So why do you think he was removed?
Sir, I had nothing to do with his removal, sir.
No further questions, Your Honor. Sure.
I'm open to questions, sir, while Colonel Hinlo is talking to the officers of the AFP. The Davao City government will always be open for everyone. In fact, we always invite other LGUs to visit Davao City and check if they see something that they want to replicate in their respective provinces, cities, and municipalities, sir. But because of the COVID-19 situation, sir, I suggest that we postpone the travel of the members of the Commission on Appointments at a later date, sir, when the state of public health emergency is lifted by the President.
Yeah, may I just manifest my appreciation for Mayor Sara. You know, when this COVID thing happened, it was Mayor Sara who first issued a statement canceling all the activities for the Araw ng Davao for the safety of the people of Davao and the visitors to Davao City. So, yung iba hindi pa nagre-react, Davao City already had that kind of precautionary measure. I just would like to manifest that, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, thank you for that, Congressman Almario. But I have also to acknowledge the other local chief executives of the Davao region, because it was a matter that we discussed before everybody announced the cancellation of our respective events from our local government units. I discussed it with Governor Tyrone Uy, Governor Nelson Dayanghirang, and Governor Claude Bautista. I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank all of the members of the Commission on Appointments on your possible confirmation of my promotion. And it is truly an honor to be in the Army Reserve Force. And we are doing our best in Davao City to strengthen the Army Reserve Force in Davao City to support the local government units in Davao region. Thank you.